Appliance repair technicians see thousands of breakdowns every year. They don't judge brands by advertising, influencer hype, or showroom appeal. They judge them by what actually survives. This countdown ranks 7 kitchen appliance brands that repair professionals trust enough to buy with their own money based on reliability, repairability, and long-term ownership cost. Some of these picks will challenge everything the showroom told you. Let us begin at number 7. In 7th place, Frigidaire represents a deliberate choice of straightforward engineering over high-tech complexity. As one of America's oldest appliance brands, it remains a favorite among technicians who prioritize practical ownership. While premium brands pack appliances with smart screens and Wi-Fi modules, Frigidaire's entry-level models often bypass electronic control boards entirely, relying instead on manual dials, standard defrost cycles, and basic compressor relay setups. For example, teardowns of their classic top freezer refrigerators reveal no motherboards. This lack of complex circuitry translates directly to fewer failure points. When components do wear out, replacement parts are widely stocked across retail chains and wholesale distributors, keeping repair costs low. Technicians trust the brand because diagnosis is direct, fast, and highly predictable, proving that simpler machines are often the easiest and cheapest to keep running over the long haul. In 6th place, KitchenAid represents a brand where repair professionals draw a sharp line between different manufacturing eras. Technicians do not treat this badge as a blanket recommendation. Instead, they separate older mechanical designs from newer, electronic-heavy models. The company built its reputation on classic stand mixers and heavy-duty dishwashers, where rugged gear systems and thick metal components easily survive decades of daily use. Today, modern KitchenAid appliances often feature complex control boards and sensitive touchscreens that introduce fragile failure points. A replacement motherboard for a modern mixer can quickly cost hundreds of dollars, while legacy mechanical units remain simple to diagnose and cheap to fix with widely stocked parts. For service experts, the rule of thumb is to trust the manufacturing era of the machine rather than the name on the front. In 5th place, GE Appliances represents a choice grounded in logistical reality. Repair professionals favor the brand because of its massive North American service network and unmatched replacement parts access. While other brands might require weeks of waiting for a proprietary computer board, GE parts are heavily stocked across regional warehouses and local distributors, making fast turnaround repairs highly predictable. Large-scale service call databases back up this practical advantage, tracking first-year repair rates for GE appliances at just 8 to 9%, well below the industry average of 17%. Technicians frequently recommend GE's gas and electric ranges, noting that straightforward, accessible engineering keeps diagnostic time to a minimum. By avoiding the overly complex touchscreen interfaces and fragile smart home connectivity modules found in competitor lines, these cooking machines deliver reliable, long-term performance. For service experts, the ultimate advantage of owning this brand is simple. When a component inevitably wears out, the parts are always within reach. In 4th place, Whirlpool represents the backbone of the repair ecosystem, a household name that technicians consistently buy for their own properties because these machines are built to be fixed. Its true strength lies in a vast replacement parts system, where components are heavily stocked across regional distributors and local suppliers, preventing the long shipping delays common with newer brands. By keeping designs consistent and service manuals accessible, diagnostics remain quick and predictable. The data supports this practical engineering. Industry surveys show Whirlpool's annual service rates sitting between 4 and 7% across major kitchen categories, while their 10-year failure rate is 12 to 16%, far lower than the 25% industry average. Technicians value this cross-category familiarity, knowing that when a water valve or drain pump inevitably wears out, a replacement is cheap and simple to install. Instead of packing machines with fragile digital touchscreens or premium aesthetic trim, Whirlpool prioritizes serviceability, offering a long-term ownership benefit that values repair over replacement. For service professionals, the ultimate proof of value is how long a machine stays in service before it must be hauled away. In third place, Bosch represents the point in our countdown where the focus shifts from easy repairability to category-leading reliability. While some brands are built to be easily fixed, this German engineering powerhouse is built to avoid breaking in the first place. Technicians consistently recommend their dishwashers because they prioritize reliable mechanics over flashier showroom gimmicks. In real-world service tracking, Bosch dishwashers maintain a low first-year service rate of just 7.7%. Independent technician-tested databases award the brand a high reliability score of 88 out of 100, with only about 8% of units requiring any service within their first 12 months. Repair professionals appreciate this track record, pointing to a modular component architecture that keeps diagnoses straightforward when issues do arise. By avoiding fragile touchscreens and unnecessary smart home connectivity that plague modern competitors, Bosch delivers a masterclass in reliability-focused engineering. For homeowners, it offers a refreshing alternative to feature theater, proving that the best appliance is the one that never forces you to call a repairman. In second place, Miele represents one of the few premium names that repair professionals describe in practical, evidence-led terms rather than lifestyle hype. This brand ties its luxury positioning directly to strict engineering standards and rigorous factory durability testing. Before any design reaches a kitchen, the manufacturer subjects components to simulated trials matching 20 years of typical household use, including 10,000-hour runtimes. Real-world performance metrics confirm these standards. When independent platforms evaluate long-term reliability, they consistently score the brand 88 out of 100, with machines regularly remaining operational for well over a decade. In large-scale service tracking databases, Miele dishwashers achieve a 5.6% first-year service rate, the lowest recorded figure across the entire appliance industry. While the upfront price is high, technicians argue the cost is justified by a long ownership horizon. Although replacement parts carry a premium price and can require specialized service, the overall frequency of breakdown is so low that the lifetime cost of ownership remains highly favorable. For service experts who spend their days fixing fragile, short-lived machines, this brand proves that true luxury is not defined by smart home touchscreens, but by decades of quiet, uninterrupted service. By maintaining strict control over their manufacturing processes and part supply, the company ensures that older models continue to receive factory support, avoiding the early obsolescence that plagues modern competitors. And finally, in first place, Speed Queen stands as the ultimate benchmark of technician trust, serving as the brand these professionals overwhelmingly choose to purchase with their own money. This loyalty is not driven by sleek aesthetics or digital touchscreens, but by a commitment to commercial laundry engineering principles. Built to survive over 10,000 cycles, matching a simulated 25-year operational lifespan, these machines rely on rugged, heavy-duty components and a simplified mechanical design. Teardowns reveal all metal transmissions and front serviceable cabinets that reject the industry's shift towards sealed systems and fragile computer boards. This intentional exclusion of smart home connectivity directly prevents the expensive control board deaths and system failures that plague modern competitors. Real-world service call tracking confirms this durability. In large-scale industry databases, compiling over 33,000 service calls, Speed Queen consistently maintains a service rate of under 7%, significantly beating the 12 to 17% industry average. Independent repair logs show these units average over 10 years before experiencing their first component failure, with repairs being both rare and straightforward. For technicians who witness daily how modern appliances are built to break, this brand represents the closest living equivalent to the legendary, long-lasting machines of the past, offering a level of reliable service that easily justifies its upfront premium. Across these 7 brands, A clear truth emerges. Durability lies in simplicity, not smart tech. While showrooms sell flashy features, technicians buy accessible engineering and readily available parts. The best appliance isn't the one with the most gadgets, it's the one built to be fixed. What's your go-to brand?